Hello. Yes, we welcome you back to PSSA, Physical Sciences Silver Bullet, with me, Richard, here. Okay, today we are looking at this question. It says that for each of the following, state whether attraction or repulsion occur. Okay, the first one, a positively charged body next to another positively charged body. What will happen when a positive is near a positive? What will happen is repulsion. The materials or the bodies will push each other aside. So we come to this one. A negatively charged object next to another negatively charged object. What will happen? What will happen is repulsion. Yes, these ones also will tend to push each other aside. Okay, then comes this one. A positively charged object next to a negatively charged object. What will happen? What will happen is attraction. Okay, here I need to tell you that like charges which are of the same kind repel. So positive repels positive and negative repels negative. And I need also to tell you that unlike charges attract. So a positive attracts negative, or a negative attracts positive. Here come to this one. It says that consider the setup below and state whether attraction or repulsion occur. So you're looking at this situation. The first case is when a positive is near negative. What will happen? What will happen is attraction. Then you come to this one. A positive next to a positive. What will happen? What will happen is repulsion. Okay? Then we come to this one. A negative next to a negative. What will happen? Repulsion. I need to tell you that attraction is when the two objects tend to come closer together, while repulsion is when the two tends to move away from each other. You need to know that like charges means positive and positive, or negative and negative. They repel, while unlike charges attract. Unlike is when a positive is next to a negative. Those are unlike. They attract. Yeah, then comes this question. It says that consider the setup below, made up of charged bodies hanging on a flexible insulating string. Okay, we have set up A. We have B, and you have C. Okay, those are the setups. Identify the charges on each below. Okay, A is here. So this is our A, and this is positive. Okay, when you witness this, what do you observe? We are observing A coming closer to positive. This is what we call attraction. Okay, so which charge attracts a positive? So it means that A must be negative. So A is negative. Because of that attraction. Then you come to B. Let's see what we observe at B. We're having a negative and it is pushing away B. This is what we call repulsion. So what happens here? The two bodies are repelling each other. So which charge repels a negative? It must be negative. You have to remember that like charges repel. Okay, we come to C. C is hanging directly under, and it's like it's not bothered by D. So what can we think, or what can we say about the charges on C and D? It simply means that C and D are neutral. They don't have charge because they seem not to be bothered by the presence of the other. So answer is neutral for C, and also neutral for D. So with that, I would like to thank you for your time. The channel is PSSB, Physical Sciences Silver Bullet, with me, Richard, here. We urge you to subscribe, to comment, to like, to share. Yes, we need to tell you that this channel, Physical Sciences Silver Bullet, specializes in physical sciences grade 12, 11 and 10, and natural sciences grade 8 and 9. We advise you that if you are using the channel, please use the playlist. Just go to playlist and select the material which belongs to your level. For grade 8 and 9, look for natural sciences grade 8 or natural sciences grade 9. For grade 11 and 10, look for physical sciences grade 11 or physical sciences grade 10. As for grade 12, every chapter is presented independently. So just look for the chapter of your choice, and then you'll have all the material you need for that topic. With that, I would like to say thank you. We appreciate your time. See you next time. Bye-bye.